Good morning, ma'am. I'm Dasni Murthy, the leader of the project. Today I'm going to present about Smart Attendance System. The introduction is, this document presents a formal plan for an academic team project to develop a smart attendance system, an electronic solution designed specifically for students and staff in educational institutions. The SAS aims to automated attendance tracking, reducing manual work, minimizing errors, and improving overall efficiency. The system will use techniques such as RFID, biometric authentications, or facial recognition to ensure accurate identification and real-time attendance recording. This document outlines key project aspects, including an overview, expected deliverables, major milestones, and a glossary of relevant terms and acronyms. The smart attendance system is intended to engage attendance management, ensuring a seamless and reliable system for both students and staff only. The overview is the primary objective of this project is to develop a smart attendance system to efficiently track and manage the attendance of students and staff in an educational institution. The system aims to automate attendance taking, reducing manual workload, minimizing errors, and ensuring accurate record keeping. By leveraging advanced technologies such as RFID, biometric authentication, or facial recognition, SAS will provide a secure and efficient method for recording attendance in real time. First point is maintain a database of all registered students and staff. Point number 2, provide a graphical user interface that allows user to first register student and staff into system. Second, mark attendance automatically through RFID, biometrics, or facial recognition. Point 3, view and update attendance records. Point 4, generate reports and attendance trends. Point 5 is search for specific attendance records. The team has agreed that SAS will be developed as a web-based application to maximize accessibility and efficiencies. A web-based solution offers several benefits, including the system only needs to be installed and maintained on a central server. Students and staff can access the attendance record from any device with internet access and a compatible web browser. Future system upgrades can integrate with other education management systems for seamless data sharing. Deliverable. The table shows the list of deliverables that will provide as a part of the smart attendance system. The first deliverable is system software, user interface, attendance database, automated attendance tracking system, report generation module, role-based access control, project proposal document, system design document, software development plan, testing and evaluation report, user manual, and finally, final project report. Evolution of the SPMP. All members of the project team have agreed upon this software project management plan. For the smart attendance system, any team member may propose change to SPMP, but all modification must be reviewed and approved by the entire project team before implementations. This document will be periodically updated throughout the project lifecycle to reflect any adjustment in the project schedule, scope, or requirements. All revisions will be properly documented to ensure that the SPMP remains accurate and up to date. To maintain consistency and accountability, will be responsible for coordinating and finalizing all updates to the SPMP. This update will help ensure that the SAS project stays aligned with its objectives, delivering an efficient and reliable attendance management system for students and staff. Reference materials. The development of the smart attendance system follows industry standards and best practice to ensure software quality, reliability, and efficiency. The following reference material have been used to guide the project's planning, design, and implementation. This section provides a quick reference for the acronym used throughout this document. SAS means Smart Adherence System, STS means Soft Design Specification, SPMP means Software Project Management Plan, SRM means as Software Requirement Specification, RFID means Radio Frequency Identification, GUI means Graphic User Interface, DBMS means Database Management System, and finally API means Application Program Interface. Next, I pass to Lechumi.
Thank you, Darshini. Hi, ma'am. I'm Lakshmi Purushothaman. So, I'm gonna explain about project organization. The organizational structure of the smart attendance system is designed to ensure effectiveness, management, and implementation for both student and staff. Process model. The smart attendance system will use a modified waterfall model with overlapping perhaps for early future testing. Internal deliverable includes static interface and functional prototype, while the final deliverable, such as user guide and product reference manual, will be part of the final product. So, this is the waterfall model of the smart attendance system. Organizational structure. The project team for the smart attendance system consists of 3 members: Darshini, Lakshmi, and Loshi. The smart attendance system is designed specifically for students and staff to streamline attendance tracking using advanced technology such as RFID, biometric authentication, and facial recognition. And this is the table of organization structure. The chart below illustrate the basic structure of the team, with each member having a specific role. However, all team members share equal accountability for delivering the project successfully. Role and responsibility. The following table outlines the roles and responsibility necessary to successfully develop a smart attendance system and automated attendance tracking solution design executive for student and staff. Project manager is Darshini. Requirement analysis also Darshini. System design plan, it's me, Lakshmi. And software plan is Loshini. Testing and evaluation report is Lakshmi and Loshini. Final project report is Darshini. Requirement techniques. User. Student do mark attendance. Lecturer will track attendance and generate the reports. Second point, attendance marking methods. Manual tick, present or absent. Futures. Secure login for student and lecturer. Tick-based attendance. Student present or absent for students. Automated reports. Attendance summarized for lecturers. System requirement. Easy to use. Simple U1 for student and lecturers. Reliable 99.9% uptime. Scalable, can support multiple illustrations. Next, I pass to Roshi.
Thank you, Lakshmi. I'm going to explain about the managerial process. The following sections describe how management will monitor the project status. In addition, the risks are detailed and contingency plans are explained. This is the architecture design of our project. So the image depicts a flow diagram of an attendance system where students and lecturers interact with a web application to mark and verify attendance. The application updates the attendance database in real time, ensuring accurate record keeping. So for the management objectives and priorities, the foremost objectives of the project are the following. First is all deliverables are completed and submitted to the client by the agreed deadline. Second is all intermediate milestone, everything due before the final deadline. Do not slip beyond 2 days of the schedule. Third, the final smart attendance system meets 90% of all high priority requirements agreed to by the team. Fourth, zero known high severity defects remain in the final product software at the time of release. Fifth is the client is left feeling satisfied with the deliverables produced by the project team. Measures of client satisfaction include feedback received and system performance evaluation. Six is the final smart attendance system was of high quality and maintainable. To meet this objective, the following sub-objectives will be achieved. No major security vulnerabilities are present in the system. The system maintains a high level of accuracy in attendance tracking. All code and system design elements will be documented. So the monitoring and controlling mechanisms. First project dimension is resources, hours worked, schedule, scope. The project team consists of 3 members and schedule is fixed as it follows a strict timeline. However, the scope and hours work can be adjusted to meet project deadlines. Team members will allocate extra hours when needed to ensure timely completion. The assumption and dependencies and constraints. The project will be developed under the following assumptions. The development team consists of 3 members who will contribute equally. Each team member will commit a minimum of 3 hours per week to the project. Necessary tools, hardware, software, cloud services will be provided by the team or the sponsoring institution. The development team possesses sufficient experience to complete the project. The system will be used by universities, cities, corporate offices, and other institutions requiring automated attendance tracking. The system will function on cloud-based platforms and be compatible with multiple devices. The primary constraints is the timeline, which is dictated by academic or business requirements. Each team member also has the other responsibilities, including work and coursework. So the risk management, potential risk and mitigation strategies. First is delay in development. Second, loss of team members. Third, technical challenges. Fourth, security risks. Fifth, integration issues. For the monitoring and controlling mechanisms, team meetings will be held twice a week, that is Tuesday and Thursday, to discuss progress. Weekly status reports will be submitted every Saturday. Major issues will be reported immediately with additional meetings scheduled if necessary. Communication tools such as Slack, email, and shared Google Drive will be used for project tracking. GitHub will be used for version control and tracking code changes. Progress will be compared with baseline milestones to track any deviation. So staffing plan is the 3 team members will contribute equally, each working approximately 6 hours per week. The estimated total project effort is 300% hours. So next I pass to Darshini.
Thank you, Lushni. Next part is technical process. The following section describes the technical standards to be used in the project, including methodology, document management, and coding guidelines. Methods, tools, and techniques. For the smart attendance system will be developed using an agile methodology that incorporates overlapping phases, feedback loops, and rapid prototyping. Development will begin interactively, allowing for flexibility in refining system requirements based on early testing and feedback. This approach ensures efficiency while maintaining adaptability to changing needs. Smart attendance system will be developed on personal computer PCS running Windows 10 or later Linux or Mac OS. The development environment will be cloud-based, allowing remote collaborating among team members. The following tools will be used: coding, integrating, compiling, debugging, and development. Technology use. Smart attendance system will be developed using the following techniques: front-end, back-end, database, authentication, logging, and monitoring. The system will also integrate with hardware components such as RFID scanners, biometric, attendance devices, and QR code readers. API-based communication will be used for smooth integration with third-party systems. Next, software documentation. All documentation for Smart Attendance System will be created using Microsoft Office, Google Documents, and Markdown file store in GitHub Wiki. The final deliverables will be provided in PDF format. Project support functions and process. All team members will communicate through a dedicated Slack workplace. The project files and documentation will be stored in a shared Google Drive and GitHub repository. To ensure a smooth workflow, and the following procedure will be followed. First, file versioning. Second, document review process. Third, code commit policy. Fourth, weekly code updates. Defect management. A bug tracking system will be used for defect management. Defect will be classified based on severity, high severity, medium severity, low severity, and then minor severity. Weekly report on the system stability, defect solution progress, and project milestones will be compiled and reviewed by the team. The final system result will be approved only when all critical defects are resolved and the software meets the agreed upon requirements. Next, I pass to Lachmi.
Point 5. Report on work, packages, schedule, and budget. The following section describes the report on work, packages, schedule, and budget. Dependencies. Different key dependencies can be identified with the implementation of the smart attendance system. Hardware components such as RFID reader, biometric scanner, and camera for facial recognition. Proper internet connectivity, supporting the cloud based on operation and the real-time attendance tracking of the system. Software dependencies are exclusive of AI power face recognition algorithms, robust database management, and secure attendance protocols. Research complements with any data protection regulation like GDPR is very important in ensuring that student and staff information remains secure and private. Effective training and onboarding of faculty and students also crucial to seamless adoption and efficient use to the system. Resource requirement. The smart attendance system will be developed and deployed using hardware, software, human expertise, and infrastructure. It will include RFID card reader, biometric fingerprint scanner, cameras for facial recognition, and dedicated server to process the data. Budget and resource allocation. The budget estimate of the smart attendance system is thus broken down. Procurement of hardware at an estimate Malaysia ringgit 47,000. Development of the software at 94,000. Cloud service and hosting will be 33,500 ringgit Malaysia. Security complements at 14,100 ringgit, and training training and deployment at 32,800. The annual maintenance and technical support for the system are pegged at $5,000. The total estimate budget of the project is 200,000 to 35,000 ringgit Malaysia. Schedule. The anticipated duration of the project completion is 3 months, which is further subdivided into various segments. The first segment is project initiation, which lasts for 2 weeks and consists of requirement gathering, feasibility analysis, and stakeholder interviews. The next segment is design and prototyping, which lasts of the month and include U1 or UX designing, system architecturing, and prototype development. The third segment is development phase, which lasts of 2 months that consists of backend and front-end application program. Next is the testing and debugging phase, which lasts of the month and make sure that the system works, verify security, and fine-tunes the performance. The last part is deployment and training, perhaps set for 2 weeks, which involves system configuration, user training, and document complementation. The last portion is maintenance and support, which is continuous process of uploading a system, responding to support requests, and ensuring that the systems function as instance for an extended period. This detailed timeline will guarantee that the work is complete on time, all resources are used effectively, and the system is successfully implemented. Next, I like to pass with Roshi.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Okay, this is the student use case diagram. So the student have to enter email, then name, enter student ID, enter program, and then create new ID, create new password, confirm password, and registration code. This is how to sign up the smart attendance systems. Okay, next is lecturer use case diagram, the same as student use case diagram. That's all from me. I would like to pass it to Darshini.
Okay, the last part is interface design. This is the student sign-up pages. This is the student sign-up page for registration system. The form collects assistant information such as email, name, student ID, program, user ID, and password with confirmation. The second page is student login page. This page is designed for secure access to the system. It requires user to enter their user ID and password. For authentication, a forget password link is provided for easy password recovery. The third is student dashboard. This is a student dashboard design for easy navigation and quick access to academic subjects. It features 5 subject panel, subject 1 to subject 5, arranged in a clear and organized layout. This is the attendance page. This attendance page allows students to mark their presence for each subject. User can select present or absent for specification subject and click Save Changes to update their attendance record. Next is lecture sign-up page. Lecture sign-up page allows lecturer to create an account by entering the email, name, lecture ID, program, user ID, and password. Lecture login page. This lecture login page allows user ID to access the smart attendance system by entering their user ID and password. It also features as a forget password option for account recovery and a login button to press. This is the page for lecture dashboard. This page provides quick access to different subjects within the smart attendance system. Each subject title, subject 1 to 5, allow lecturer to manage attendance, view records, and monitoring student progress efficiently. This is a lecture report section. This lecture report section displays student attendance record within the smart attendance system. It provides a clear overview of each student's status, present, absent, or no response for easy monitoring and record keeping. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.